Hey, my friend James Bill here. Legendary Marketer Back Office Review. Guys, I'm going to take you through my back office here with Legendary to give you a grand tour to show you how you can be making money with this awesome program. Let's dive right into it. This is the affiliates section of the back office. And the first thing you're going to notice here in this back office is with every aspect. Here's the e-wallet, funnels, leads, members, reports, ranks. But no matter what section you come across, you're going to have a video here. This is Dave Sharp. He's the CEO of the company. Welcome to. And he always, guys, give you a nice welcome introduction to each funnel. And here we go. I'm going to start now with this is e-wallet. This is where you're going to be getting your money. And I want to go here first because it's the most important part of me, for me. We all are here to make money. And what happens here, you have access to your e-wallet if you click on here. And my Wi-Fi is acting up. Obviously, it had to be long in the middle of this video, but hey, things happens, guys, and I'm not gonna let that stop me. And you shouldn't either, no matter what you're doing in your business. But next thing we have is the funnels, okay? And what these funnels does is, like, you have your business challenger. Here's the free business challenger, and this is what we're giving away for free. And what that is, let me minimize this a little bit. What that is basically giving away a completely free 15-day business builder challenge training for 15 days, guys. They're gonna take you step by step and walk you through to help you to set up your business with an advisor. And after 15 days, you have the option to either check out or continue on for a small fee of $30. Okay. And other funnels we have here. This is the end financial stress. It's just another funnel representing the company. You have the marketers club. You have the book funnel. This is awesome lead magnet that they give you the opportunity to go ahead and use as a free offer to help you build your list. And what that is a free legendary marketer book. All the information and training that you get, here's the book that does that also. And once you're an affiliate and a member, it lets you use that book to go ahead and use for your lead magnet. So that's a bonus in itself, guys. And here it is. How to build an online digital marketing business and earn unlimited income from anywhere in the world. And what it is, I think let me see, they actually end up paying it's a $99.95 value for free. You just pay the shipping on that. That's how that works. But again, that's another nice bonus to have here. So let's continue on through the back office here. And you have the leads. There's a list of all your leads. It's pretty much self-explanatory. All your leads are listed here for you anytime, any given day you want to go and take a look at that. It's there. Your members. Click on that and it tells you who joined, when, where, what, why. And the list goes on. These are all my members, guys. And here's excuse me. Let's go to report. Let's go to reports. And my Wi-Fi is a little slow, but that's okay. Okay, and inside of the reports section, Dave is really a detailed oriented. Dave Sharp is the CEO of the company. He's a really detailed oriented type of guy. And I mean, who wouldn't love that? But here's the hits I've had. People that's just kind of hit on and didn't really come in as a lead. And you can see here I had 1,832 leads, 32 customers. I've made to date $15,516.80 with this company. I've had $1,000 refunded. Is $14,000 net commissions, and it's cost me lifetime value of the customers costing $4.53 and 25. $4.53.25. And like I say, he's really detailed on all of that. But here, let's go to the rank. This is the members in our group and the different ranks. Let me see, what do we have here? I don't see it labeled here, but I know these guys here, these are our top earners. So they just got rings, six-figure rings at the recent mastermind. I know that's what that is. And next we have here, these are the gold members inside of our opportunity. And what that is, as we can see, and I want to show you something here. Somewhere inside of here. There we go. I missed it the first time. That's me right here, James Bill. I'm a gold member. And what the gold member is anyone that's made anywhere from 10K on up to $25,000 to $30,000. And these guys here are like your platinum earners, 6K figure earners. That just the platinum guys. And what else we have? Then of course you have your leaderboard after that. Okay. And that's self-explanatory again. You can see these guys here. These are the 6K earners that got the rings. They're at the top of the list there, guys. And it just goes on and on and kind of give you, it goes down to about 15 to show you, of course, they don't go through the whole 30,000 something members or what have you. But that's that anyway. And then you have your commissions. Simply click on that. And like I said, the neat part about all of this, every module you get to, it's going to have Dave Sharp's going to be right here. It's just going to be a click away to help you kind of explain everything for you. But this is all pretty much self-explanatory. It's your commissions. You go through it. That's your members, how much you've made for each particular product. And what do you have pending and blah, 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 so forth and so on. And here are some custom funnels. And what they basically do, they have some specialty type of funnels that you have access to kind of, stand out in your business. And let's just go ahead and go through some of this stuff. I explained the challenge, the 15-day business builder challenge is simply giving that as a lead magnet. Excuse me, not a lead magnet, but it's a front offer to offer your prospects to come in for free. And just to go through some of these products here, you have the, come on back. We have the marketing. Let's keep clicking. Okay, there it is. You have the marketing and advertising. You have Marketers Club. And I'm to my left here, guys, going down. Traffic Rolodex. Okay, the Marketers Club is simply when you come in as a member for $30. That's where you're going to start off there, guys, getting that training to get you to making money and put you in profit right away. And the Traffic Rolodex is an extra step up that Dave is going to give you access to his personal Rolodex for as traffic goes. And I told you about the Legendary Marketer book, the Business Blueprint. The Business Blueprint is basically like the challenge is showing you how to set up a business, giving you the blueprint to set up your business, guys. And you can register for live trainings. You got affiliate marketing. One of our team members, Steph Perez, she done a fantastic job on this particular module. That's Steph right there. And she just really goes into details about what it takes to be an affiliate marketer from the top to the bottom. She really did a very good job. And you have your digital products here. Awesome products. Dave really laid it out. I came into this not knowing anything about marketing, and now I'm on leaderboards, just from following the training. This is another one. This guy here, Mark Harbor, a lot of you may know of him. He's been around for quite some time. And he really goes through this, telling you all about what it takes to start up your own product, to how to get that going off the ground, anywhere from getting paid, what it takes to create it, the hosting, and everything in between. And the events and mastermind, Forbes magazine rated Dave Sharp's Legendary Marketer for one of the top mastermind events of all time, guys. Coaching and consulting, they even teach you if you want to consider being a coach and running a consulting firm. Got you covered on that too. Builder Masterclass is what we call a higher end, one of the higher end modules where they take you to that next level. Same thing with the Leader Masterclass. Live experience, same thing, except for this one here is really exceptional. What they do, you don't just join in at some mastermind event at any location. They take you overseas somewhere to some exotic location and really give you the top-notch training, world class. And Marketing Mastermind, that's your mastermind events. Entrepreneur Mastermind, that's another top-notch level that you're going to have. Here's the life experience that I just told you about just a moment ago. And you have support. We have our Facebook group that you're going to have access to as soon as you join. It's got over 40,000 members there ready, willing to help you out, assist you. Like I said, great support, 24/7 support system. And this is the really unique thing about this program. As soon as you start up, you're going to have access to an advisor, guys. That advisor that is there to coach you and help you out around the clock. So this is the Legendary Marketers back office, and I hope you got some value out of this. If you're looking for an opportunity, or you already have a business opportunity and you just need a little bit more training, a little boost to get your business up and running, guys, I highly recommend you seek and check out Legendary Marketer. Thank you. God bless.